Okay, dokie, Smokey. We're off again. We are leaving Holy Smoke Resort for the Diamond A Cattle Ranch. It's one of those harvest host places that I'm staying. Looking forward to it. I've been around cattle, but I've never been on an actual cattle ranch, so I don't know what it's going to be. But, you know, I'll get to tootle around. Drive time is just under 4 hours, which means probably close to 5 hours of Kathy time. And it is coming up on 9. So 9 and 5 is 14. So 2-ish. Sometime around 2. Maybe between 2 and 3. Anyway, well before sundown, especially in this part of the woods. And one of the things that I was very, very excited about this morning, and I know you guys are going to go, you're a weirdo. I don't care. I didn't have to bundle up like an Eskimo to break the trailer or the rig down. It was 63 degrees. I was out in my t-shirt sleeves, and it was comfortable, and it was warm, and the sun is shining, and that means I'm getting to warmer climates, and I am looking forward to that so very much because, quite frankly, I am tired of being an Eskimo. I don't do cold very well, as you saw at Bryce Canyon. But anyway, we're off for today. We'll see what there is to see along the way, and otherwise, talk to you later. Bye. And just like that, we've lost an hour. We have crossed over into Central Time Zone. So I am an hour and 40 minutes out, but it's actually 2 hours and 40 minutes on my clock. But anyway, I was talking with a friend of mine before I retired, and where she lives up in Vancouver, they had decided to, with this last time change, to never change time again. And I thought, how wonderful. Wouldn't that be wonderful if California did that? And then I realized it was irrelevant whatever California did, because with my travels, I'm going to be changing time zones all the time. Thank God for Google that I can search what time is it, what time zone am I in. But anyway, driving across what is the Badlands of South Dakota, and flat, a few curves, a few hills, but mostly flat. Going across the Missouri River. Didn't realize I was coming up on it, or I would have gotten more pictures of it if it was the sign. But it's still quite lovely, quite big. Youngins and can't read, but anyway, that was kind of cute. Okay, so that's where all the parking is. Apparently these aren't beef cows, these are rodeo cows. And there's a couple other folks out here already. I turn in here. This is a very new experience for me.
You have reached your destination.
I guess I have. Harvest host, turn right here.